Hello everyone. So this is Leetcode 150 evaluate reverse polish notation, which is a medium level of implementation problem. Uh, Here we can see that when they given us a array of a vector of a string which contains like numbers or operators. So how to, and when they are expecting the evaluation value of that, the total number of evaluation, which will be in reverse polish notation. So what is the reverse polish notation? It's like they will be treated like taking the values, and then whenever there will be a character, it will concat, or if it is multiplied, then it will be multiplied. If it is negation, then it will negate the value, and if it is division, then it will divide this value, and then calculate the total sum, which is actually 2 plus 1 is 3, into 3 is 9. So for that also we can see the same formulation, which is 4 plus 13, 4 13 5, and then here comes is 5. So what is the nearest value, which is 13 and 5? Then so here we can say that it is dividing 13 by 5, then adding the value with the result, which is with 4, and what is the result, which is 6. So let us see how this actually work in something like drawing. Like 4, we saying that 4 3 13 5, then we are saying like divided character and a plus character. So how it will work, it will work in like how we approach this problem. So for that we can use a stack or mm, stack or box for that. So we are using stack. So stack will be integer. Stack will contains the integer value. So here like we are using this kind of a stack. So first here it is a value, so it will store in here. So by that we will have a value like 14 4. Then what is, it is a value, so it will store here, which is 13. What is this? This is also a value, so it will also store here as a value. Now what is this? This is a operational character, like we are expecting plus, minus, divided, minus, and multiply. We're expecting this 4 operational key. Whenever we found that, we will took the topmost value of the stack, which is 5 and 13. This could be anything. This could be anything like we can have here like another notation, which is before notation we will have like another is 11, and then we will have minus. So what will be the, okay, let's iterate through it. So first 4, it is 4, and then what is 13 13, then what is 5 5. Now it is divided, so we will take the first two value of the stack out here, and we'll be using the second value, which is value 2 is sending to a value 2 is 13, and the first value will assign is value 1 as 5. So how we will pop that, we'll using, as we will using stack, so we can easily find that using top, and also another is as dot pop. So we will see the code in details, but first let's see the equivalent. So what will be the expression over here, which will be 13. What is the operation, that is divided by 5. This is our current operational value, so it could be changed, for simplicity we are putting an a bracket over here. So this is gone. So after dividing it, what is the actual value over here, which is 2. So we will push that 2 over here again. So now what will be the current phase of stack, that will be 4. There is already 4 over here, and now it will be 2. So we are putting the result, here, and yeah, evaluating it. And when we put the result here, the evaluation is gone. Now we don't need this. Now where were we were in this position. Now next, go the next position. What is this? This is the, like, uh, this is also operational value. So we took took the two value over here. So now what will be the position, what will be the value of 1, that will be 2, and what will be the value of 2, that will be 4. So we are putting 4 and 2, and between them we are putting the operational character, which is plus. So what will be the result? This will be 6. Now what will happen, we again empty the stack and then put the value here, which is 11. Now what is this? This is minus 11, which is also a value. Then we will simply put this in the stack, then iterate next. What is this? This is an operational character, which is minus. So we'll again put the value of stack here, and put what will be the here, that will be minus 11. What will be this? This will be 6. Now we'll again put the calculation here. Is this time you can, like, this time, we need to be like 6 minus 11. So minus minus, this will be like positive, and the output will be 17. This will print here, this will put here. We will clear the stack and put it here. Now again iterate through it. No, we come to the end of the string. So just, we can assure that by the end of the string we'll have only one character, one value left in the string, in the stack. So we just simply return the stack dot top, and this will be our expected value. So now let's see this whole process in code. So for that, we are first taking a stack with integer s, then will iterate to the tokens, that is t tokens, and in tokens we will check if the current string, the current string is any operational character or not. So if it is plus, or it is minus, or it is divisional character, or it is uh, multiply character, if this happen, what will we do? We'll take a value, value 1, uh, we'll take a value 1, and we'll take value 1, and we will store here the stack dot top, and with that we'll also pop that value. So before we also pop, because why are we doing this? Because once we get the top value, like at first position, we will have like 4, then we'll have like 13, then we'll have like 5. So first we pop top take the top value, then we erase this. Then what is the top value indicating here? It is 13. So we'll take the second top value, and we'll also erase this. So this is the technique. And integer value store start top, also we'll popping the value. Okay, so now we have the top value in value 1 and value 2. Remember, whenever we calculating, we'll taking this is the as the first element, this as the second element. Okay, so now this is indicating us value 1, this is indicating us value 2. So we'll checking again, like if t is plus, then we'll just simply do the uh, we can take an integer which will be like res to 0, so we just assign the value here, which is as res is uh, val 2 plus val 1. So why we assigning val 2? Because this is indicating the val 2 and this is indicating the val 1. Okay, so if again checking the same condition, if it is minus, then res equals to will be val 1 val 2 minus val 1. So doing the same thing, we will have again and again. So now this will be uh, multiply, we are doing this multiply, and last we are doing this division. So ultimate in the end, what value we will have after the calculation, we will have the result. Okay, so we'll putting back the result in it. So yeah, we are putting s dot push stack dot push, which is the result. If the value so for now we have calculated the operational value. If the value isn't the operational value, then what will happen? So the else what we'll do, we'll do s dot push of rest. No, not rest, that will be like t. But wait, t is actually a string, it is not an integer. What if we have something like this, which is -11? Then we cannot push a string into a stack which is indicating integer, so we will convert it to string to integer, and we'll simply in the end returning the s dot top, returning the top value. So if for testing purpose, okay, so this is the whole code. Now if we run this code, hope so this will executes perfectly. Yeah, now just submit the code. I have already tested twice. Yeah, now yeah, this is the solution. Okay, so I hope this implementation problem is very interesting problem to implement. So I hope you get a proper idea and get the broad knowledge of how to think. Next, see you in the next video. Thank you.